creating automated smart upsells and cross-sells is easier than you think. It's a great thing to do because, well, the average upsell converts at around 8 to 11%, but with the brain, it converts 19 and some as high as 68. And it just saves so much time. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. First of all, you need another app. It's called the Bold Brain. And don't worry, to do this, all you need is the free version. There is a paid version, but the free one's all you need. This one does these smart recommendations for upsells and bundles. The paid version is awesome. It does smart widgets for you may also like and frequently bought together. But for this, all you need is the free plan. So once you have that installed, head over to your store, head to the Brain, and the tab you're going to want to go into is your Insights tab. But let me just quickly show you a couple things about the Brain. If you just installed it, I would encourage you to poke around. It uses machine learning and AI to do a lot of smart things in your store. So check out the stats page, check out the widgets, maybe even try one out. It uses the same data to create smart widgets. It does smart audiences and segmentation, a lot of things. But for now, we're going to go to our Insights tab, and the insights can work in a lot of different ways to create bundles, subscriptions, but what we want to do is find a cross-sell, and here's one right here, and let's click Take Action. So I'm going to see a little bit of data here, how many times each of these products was bought, and then how many times they were bought at the same time in the same cart. So this is a very high converting cross-sell, and I can just click Create Offer and I'm done, or I can make a couple modifications. Where do I want it to show? Do I want to change the title, change the call to action? Click Create Offer, and it's done. That's it. I just created a cross-sell with a single click. If I go to the front of my store and I find that product and I click Add to Cart, I'll see that in there. Let's add it to cart right now. And I should see my upsell that I just created. That easy. And it's my generic title. And it's just like any other cross-sell or upsell that you create. So actually, let's go to the Upsell app and I want to show you what that looks like in the back end. If I find all of my upsells and cross-sells, I'm just going to go to Current Offers here. I'll see that one I just made right up near the top. So here's Created by Brain. And now it's just like any other cross-sell. I can pause it, start it, I can edit it. Actually, let's go ahead and do that right now. I can change everything. I can change where it's triggered on the product, on the cart, after checkout. I can change it to an upsell or a cross-sell. I can turn it into a funnel. I can change the title, the description, anything. That's how easy it is to create fully automated upsells with Bold Upsell. If you have questions, we can help. Email support or learn more at any of these links. Thanks for watching.